Every country has its capital, but here we are going to discuss top 10 most beautiful capitals in the world. Capital is specially designed for official meetings to foreigners as senior officials regarding political issues as well countries' personal official affairs. Number 1. London, England. England's capital and most populous city London, renowned for its history and its landmarks, are recognized throughout the world. It is tagged in Gamma Plus World City, reason why we decided to place its name in top 10 most beautiful capitals in the world list. It's one of the world's top financial cities, and at the height of the British Empire, it was the most powerful city in the world. Number 2. Islamabad, Pakistan. Not so large but most beautiful city of Pakistan, better known for its most eye-catching places as Pakistan Monument, Rawal Lake, Lake View Park, Saidpur Village, Faisal Mosque and many other, placed within the Islamabad capital territory as well neighboring of Rawalpindi city. Third largest city of Pakistan with a population of more than 4.5 million residents, and everyone loves to visit this place from country as well as all around the world. Number 3. Paris, France. The most populous city of France, that better renowned for its metallic Eiffel Tower, was designed in 1889 for the Paris International Exhibition and called World's Tallest Monument. It was a prosperous trading center and the largest city in the Western world, but later on came out as most crucial center of fashion, commerce, science, arts and finance, that what forced us to tag it on third rank in top 10 most beautiful capitals in the world article. Paris is located on the Seine River, northern side of the France, while has a population of 10,550,350 according to January 2012 census. Number 4. Tokyo, Japan. When you enter in Tokyo, its most sophisticated railways, tangasmic food, bundle of youth fashion stores, most delicious noodles and all other amazing things will definitely attract you a lot, as the city supposed to be one of the best places for tourists. Tokyo is one of the 47 prefectures of country, including the seat of the Emperor of Japan and the Japan's government. Nowadays, Tokyo is considered a city, but it is actually metropolitan prefecture, placed on third position in the Global Economic Power Index as well tagged on fourth rank in the Global Cities Index. Number 5. Berlin, Germany. Berlin consists of population of 3.5 million people, better known for its research facilities, convention venues, service sector, wide range of creative industries, reason why acquires 5 rank in top 10 most beautiful capitals in the world article. The German state, known as capital of the country, merged as the 7th most populous urban area in the European Union as well the 2nd most populous city proper, linked to rivers Spree and Havels banks in northeastern Germany. It is also referred as World City of Media, Culture, Science and Politics. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. So see you again in part 2. Thanks for watching.